My name is Derrick Josi, Wilsonview Dairy. My favorite would definitely be the water troughs. I mean, my guys, when we're going through stalls and bringing cows in, anytime they're putting eyes in the water trough, and if they're dirty, it's as simple as lift up, twist, dump, put back in, rock it a little bit, just jiggle any little bit that's still in there, dump it one more time, and then they fill back up. What ultimately sold me was the fact that a solid reputation for the equipment I was buying. Anybody I talked to that had installed it was happy with it. And that means a lot when you have other dairy farmers telling you that the equipment they purchased holds up and does what it's supposed to do.